This video is a gentle rebellion, a reminder that your life, even as it is now, holds quiet beauty, that the ordinary, when seen with softer eyes, becomes extraordinary. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to fall in love with your life again. No drastic change needed. Welcome to Bloom, a place to slow down, reconnect, and rediscover beauty in the everyday. Somewhere along the way, we were taught that beauty lives in the big things, that happiness is on the other side of achievement. But the truth is, most of our life happens in the in-between, and when we rush through it, we miss the quiet magic of being alive. Romanticizing your life isn't about pretending everything's perfect. It's about choosing to see what's already here, with intention. It means lighting a candle before dinner, even if it's just leftovers, pouring your coffee into your favorite mug instead of a paper cup, playing your favorite music while you fold laundry, slowing down enough to notice how your pet stretches in the sun, how the air smells before it rains. It's not about aesthetics, it's about presence, about reminding yourself, this moment matters too. 1. Morning rituals over morning routines. You don't need an hour-long practice. Try 3 intentional minutes, light a candle, sip tea slowly, write 1 sentence in a journal. 2. Get dressed for the day you want to feel, even if you're staying home. Wear the perfume, put on the soft sweater. 3. Add 1 romantic element to your daily tasks. Play classical music while cleaning, eat by the window. Tiny edits can transform the mood of the day. Celebrate small milestones. Finished a load of laundry. Light a candle. Made it through a tough call. Take 5 quiet minutes just for you. 5. Be present during in-between moments. Waiting in line. Walking to your car. Washing dishes. These are perfect pockets to breathe, notice, and feel. 6. Create beauty for no reason. Press a flower in your journal, doodle, rearrange your space. Not for productivity, just because it feels good. Maybe the most radical thing you can do isn't to hustle harder, but to light a candle at 3 p.m. for no reason. To choose softness in a world rushing toward the next big thing. To say, this life is mine, and I want to live it with heart. If this video made you pause, even for a moment, then maybe that's your sign to begin. Romanticize your life. Not because it's perfect, but because it's yours. Let me know in the comments. What's one small way you've romanticized your life lately? And if you felt held by this video, subscribe to Bloom for more gentle reminders like this.